Hi there, students. A toupee. A toupee. Okay, a toupee is a little piece of artificial hair, nearly always worn by a man, to cover the bald patch on their head. So you'd wear a toupee right there. You see where I've got no hair. I personally think the idea of wearing a toupee is a bit ridiculous, but some people feel that they're getting old and they need to wear a toupee. Okay, so a toupee is a piece of artificial hair to cover the bald spot. A partial wig, a hairpiece, that goes right on the bald spot. Okay, so a toupee, a rug, a wig. Well, it's not a wig because a wig is complete. It's a section of hair to cover a bald spot. You can actually use this word toupee to talk about a little curl of hair made into a top knot, but that's very unusual. So a toupee, artificial hair worn by a man to cover the patch on his head where he's lost his hair, and he's no longer 18. Okay, there's a very, very good phrase with this, the toupee fallacy. This is something in logic. It says that people think that all toupees are bad, but that's not necessarily the case, because people only notice the poor quality toupees, and they don't notice the good ones. So if you've got a really good one, nobody notices it. So people only spot the bad ones, and that is the toupee fallacy. It's something that is wrongly judged to always be of poor quality because of the fact that people only notice the bad examples of it and they don't notice the good examples of it. I'm thinking maybe a repair to something, a repair to a piece of clothing. If it's a really good repair, you're not going to notice it, and people will only ever see the bad ones, so they think most repairs are bad. Well, it works like that as well. It's the toupee fallacy. I think that's quite funny. Yeah. If people notice a toupee, hey, he's wearing a toupee. He's wearing a toupee. And so, but if somebody's wearing a good one, then they don't notice it. Let's see. As to formality, a toupee, 5.5 in formality, use absolutely anywhere, and this comes from French, from Toupée with a T, a tuft of hair. A forelock of hair coming up at the front, which itself comes from Proto-Germanic toupaz, meaning the summit or a tuft of hair. Okay, so a toupee. So, why do people wear toupees? I can understand they wear toupees because they don't want to be thought of as balding and getting old. I wonder if people still wear toupees today. It's normally associated with males, but I think some women also use a toupee. I think maybe this hair lengthening might be called a toupee as well. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Toupee, a toupee.